Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making macaroni salad. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to prepare my meal today. Onion, assorted bell peppers, celery, carrot, pasta, black pepper, mayonnaise, mustard, all-purpose seasoning, salt, sugar, parsley, basil, and turkey bacon. I'm going to put a little salt in the water, which I bring to a boil to put the pasta in. And just salt to taste, so maybe less than half of a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning in there, which is half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Now this pasta is ziti, and I'm going to pour it in the boiling water, and it's going to be cooked for about 11 to 12 minutes because I don't want it to be too soft, so it's going to be okay. And like I said before, all my videos, the recipe will be included, so I'm just gonna do a dash of everything. While the pasta is in the pot, always make sure you stir it and that it don't stick, and it will be there for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, then 10 to 11 minutes, it will be cooked by then. Extra moisture like water or juice or something, I don't want all of that in my salad, so I'm going to put it in the pot and sear it for about 5 minutes. So while I put them there, I don't want them to be too big, so I'm doing them this way. So right now I'm gonna just put them in a little pot and have it in there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn on my pot right here. Place this in the pot for a little searing. I'm not going to put any oil in it. I'm just going to cover it a little in the medium low, and let some of the moisture come out of it. Now I'm going to cut my vegetables. These all my vegetables going to be in my salad. I'm going to cut them in a very special way. So I'm going to cut my basil first, and what I do with the basil, I put the leaf off. I think this would be fine. I don't want too much in there. These are all fresh herbs from my backyard garden. The basil and smell really good. Combination scent, smell good. Now I'm going to cut my onion. I've done it so small, but it's a salad. only thing that's gonna be steamed are gonna be cooked is the pasta. So, and I also include a red onion just for coloring as well. Then I'm gonna do my bell peppers, which and again I'm doing all these colors just for decoration and flavor as well. So my celery, is not my fave, but the flavor is good, especially in a salad. So next, I already grated the carrots. This is my carrots instead of I think I could do a little bit more of this thing. Do the whole thing. Okay. Time for my pasta to be turned off. This is what my pasta looks like after 11 minutes of boiling. Now it's ready to be strained and washed. It will be washed with cold water, or cooled down with cold water. So this is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna strain it. So I'm gonna pour it in the strainer. Pour it in the strainer. And then run the cold water over it. Not too sour, it's like semi-firm, and that's the way I want it because I don't want a soggy salad. So I think this is good. I'm going to wash all the sauce off of it. I think this should be good enough, and I'm going to leave it here to drain. So I'm going to put right here, and that is drain here. Okay. Now I'm going to mix my mayonnaise, my mustard into the bowl. Okay. I'm combining all these mayonnaise and the mustard. 1 cup of mustard. Okay. Mustard. Got to mix it. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. I'm gonna mix this up. Then I'm gonna mix in my carrot, which is grated carrot. And my celery. My sorted bell peppers. And my onion. Basil and parsley, definitely here. I'm gonna also, this is how my turkey bacon looks. All the moisture are kind of dried out of it. So now I'm gonna just put it in my mixture as well. Sugar. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my pasta into this mixture. Put it in. All drained. It's a lot. And add pasta in and stir it in. I can finish. Put my carrots over it. And my sweet peppers. And the remainder of my onion. Okay, let me taste. Delicious. Delicious. And I chose to add the turkey bacon into it, but if you choose not to, then it's fine. You can put whatever you want to put in there. Don't necessarily have to have bacon, but you just, you know, whatever float your boat, I guess. You can just put it in, but this is very delicious, very easy to be made. And so it can be garnished with, although the green parsley and basil is in it, then you can garnish it with a little something like the dry parsley, the red crushed pepper, and this is pretty much it. Pretty much. This is the finished product of my macaroni salad. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.